All right, guys, where we going?
Disney World!
Where you going, man?
Disney!
You sure?
Yeah!
Where you going?
Disney World!
Are you sure?
Yeah, we're going to Disney!
Y'all might be going to El Segundo for all you know.
Hi!
Where you going, Boo?
Disney World!
Disney World!
Where you going?
Boca Raton. Oh, I'm sorry. Disney!
Is that about nothing, please?
Hi, my name's Jariah, and we're going to Disney World! But first, we have to go to a house.
Oh, boy.
Wow.
We're going to the
This is my favorite queue. That and E.T. and Harry Potter. Green, Harry Potter. Yeah. I do love this one. Huh? So you like this one? Yeah, this one, E.T. and Harry Potter. Probably my favorite queues. Is your favorite what? Favorite queues? Now we're going underwater in this park. Now we're underwater.
The only thing, she wouldn't be able to get her money back. She could call. And they would be like, oh, you can get
Just keep swimming.
Just keep swimming.
2 or 3, those okay. 2, 3, 5, hit nobody. Don't wait for
Hold up there because we are underwater again. That's P. Sherman's boat. It's a car. P stands for Pablo. Ain't you behaved over the case? Let us go underwater. Actually, there we are.
No, somebody wants to make it. Where? Right there. Oh,
eyes open for along the way. Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Hey, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without
minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science, there's so much to know. Like floors and
Oh my gosh. This is ghetto.
Trying to find
Find who?
Oh! Nemo! Where are you, Nemo? He's my son. You know that. We went on a huge adventure together, which you don't remember at all.
White stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller.
Yes, have you seen it?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Oh, no.
It's Nemo!
Where?
Nowhere. That's why we're trying to find him.
I do.
Oh. Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together.
He's white stripes.
Stop playing games!
Games? I like games. I'm Dory. I'm thinking of something
jelly.
bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something real.
That's jellyfish!
Good. And I'm
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
all right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something big and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of cool.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of cool.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish! Stop fooling around!
Oh, Jesus.
Totally stop. You kick the chair. Here's what you do. Stand your seats. Crush man's.
Look, I'm scared now.
Arm. It's like the
Big hole.
That is cool.
Oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop fooling around!
Oh, you hear?
Hurry, do something!
Hey, Snappy Jaws! Can't catch me!
Swim away!
Peekaboo.
Watch out!
Look, I'm scared now.
You're not helping!
Oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop fooling around!
Listen up, explorer.
Look, I'm scared now.
Stop fooling around!
Clownfish, where are you? Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. More salt, mate. Fish are friends. I wonder if clownfish taste. Nemo, why don't you drop by for a